list. So stick around for just a few minutes. We'll get you situated. Everything will be great. Cool? Cool. I'd like to start bringing up our top-ranked teams, starting with our team in the number 8 seeded position with a rank score of 2.71. It's 36-41.
From South Lyon, Michigan, it's the Flying Toasters.
Next, our number 7 seeded team with a rank score of 2.71. It's 35-34.
From Davison, it's the House of Cards.
Next, we'll bring up our number 6 seeded team, 54-36.
From Rochester, it's the Cybercats.
Our number 5th ranked team with a rank score of 3.14 is 27.
From Clarkston, it's Team Rush.
Our number 4 ranked team with a rank score of 3.28, we've got 43-62.
From Brighton, it's the Gems.
Our number 3 ranked team with a rank score of 3.28, it's 35-38.
From Auburn Hills, it's the Robojackets.
With a rank score of 3.82, it's 2-26.
From Troy, it's the Hammerheads.
And finally, after 39 qualification matches, this team rose to the top with a rank score of 3.57. It's 23-37.
From Grand Blanc, it's the Engineers.
Alliance Captain number 1, 2337, who would you like to invite to join your alliance?
On behalf of Team 2337 and all of our sponsors, we would like to invite the assistance of Team 27.
That's Team Rush.
Team Rush, what do you think of this invitation?
On behalf of all of our sponsors, Team 27 graciously accepts.
The start of your number 1 seeded alliance. (226). Who would you like to invite to join your alliance?
On behalf of Team 226 and its sponsors, we'd like to invite 3538 to join our alliance.
That's the Robojackets.
3538, what say you?
Team 3538 accepts.
We're going to bring up our next ranked team, 4130, into the 7th seeded position.
From Richmond, Michigan, it's the Blue Devils.
And 3539 into the 8th seeded position.
From Romeo, Michigan, it's the Biting Bulldogs.
(4362), our number 3 alliance captain. Who would you like to invite to join your alliance?
On behalf of Team 4362, the Gems, and all of our sponsors, I would like to invite Team 1506.
From Flint, it's Metal Muscle.
1506, would you like to join this alliance?
On behalf of Team 1506 and all of our wonderful sponsors, we graciously accept.
The start of your number 3 seeded alliance. 5436. Who would you like to invite to join your alliance?
On behalf of Team 5436 and all of our sponsors, we'd like to invite Team 3668.
Team 3668.
From Whitmore Lake, that's the Trobots.
Trobots, what do you think of this invitation?
On behalf of Team 3668 and all our sponsors, we graciously accept.
The start of your number 4 seeded alliance. $35.34. Who would you like to invite to join your alliance?
On behalf of Team 3534, we would like to invite Team 2834 to be the ace up our sleeve.
From Bloomfield Township, Michigan, it's the Bionic Blackhawks.
Bionic Blackhawks, would you like to join this number 5 alliance?
On behalf of Team 2834 and all of our sponsors, and Josh and Lily Polito, happy birthday. We will gratefully accept.
The start of your number 5 seeded alliance. Our number 6 alliance captain, who would you like to invite?
On behalf of Team 3641 and all sponsors, we'd like to invite Team 1684 to join our alliance.
From Lapeer, Michigan, it's the Chimeras.
Chimeras, what say you?
On behalf of Team 1684 and all of our sponsors, we gratefully accept.
The start of our number 6 seeded alliance. $41.30, our number 7 alliance captain. Who would you like to invite to join your alliance?
On behalf of Team 4130, we would like to invite Team 35.
That's the Biting Bulldogs.
On behalf of Team 3539, the Biting Bulldogs, and all of our generous sponsors, we gratefully accept.
That's the start of our 7th season alliance. We're going to pull up our next ranked team, 302, to be the captain of our 8th seeded alliance.
From Lake Orion, Michigan, that's the Dragons.
302, who would you like to invite to join your alliance?
On behalf of Team 302 and all of our sponsors, we would love if Team 70 would come fly with us.
From Goodrich, it's more Martians.
Team 70, what do you think of that offer?
On behalf of Team 70, we graciously accept.
The start of our number 8 seeded alliance. Well, we're going to give these folks a minute to strategize. Our number 8 alliance captain, who would you like to invite to join your alliance?
On behalf of Team 302
And 70.
we would like to invite Team 8332 to join our alliance.
8332.
From Auburn Hills, it's Alternate Reality.
What do you think of this invitation?
Team 8332 accepts.
Your completed 8 seeded alliance. Our number 7 seeded alliance, who would you like to invite to join you?
On behalf of Team 4130,
and Team 3539,
we would like to invite Team 910.
That's the Foley Freeze from Madison Heights, Michigan.
910, what say you?
On behalf of Team 910 and all of our sponsors, we gracefully accept.
Your completed number 7 Alliance. They're going to take just a minute to make sure they've got all their numbers right. Just a reminder for our teams, once you are no longer competing with your robot, you are welcome to pack up your trailer and your pits, just to ease things on the way out of the venue. But we do encourage you to stay for finals and our awards ceremony at the end. Number 6 Alliance Captain. Who would you like to invite to join you?
On behalf of Team 3641 and 1684, we would like to invite Team 7211 to join our alliance.
From Holly, Michigan, it's Hollywood.
Hollywood, what do you have to say to this invitation?
On behalf of Team 7211 and all of our sponsors, we graciously accept.
Your number 6 Alliance complete. Our Alliance Captain, who would you like to invite?
On behalf of Team 3534
And 2834,
we would like to invite Team 5460 to make this a full house.
5460 from Lapeer, Michigan is Strike Zone.
Strike Zone, would you like to join this alliance?
On behalf of 5460 and all of our sponsors, we graciously accept.
Your number 5 Alliance complete. Our number 4 Alliance Captain, who would you like to invite to complete your alliance?
On behalf of Team 5436 and 3668, we would like to invite Team 5525.
5525.
5525 is the Alcona Toolcats from Lincoln, Michigan.
$55.25. What say you?
On behalf of Team 5525 and all our sponsors, we graciously accept.
That's your number 4 Alliance complete. Our number 3 Alliance Captain. Who would you like to invite?
On behalf of Team 4362, 1506, and all our sponsors, we would like to invite Team 1322.
1322 from Fenton, Michigan. It's the Genesee Robotics Area Youth Team, also known as GREAT.
Great. What do you answer to the number 3 Alliance?
On behalf of Team 1322 and all of our sponsors, we graciously accept.
That's your number 3 Alliance complete. Our number 2 Alliance Captain. Who would you like to invite?
On behalf of Team 226
and Team 3538
and all of our sponsors, we'd like to invite Team 7202 to be a part of our alliance.
7202. That is the Cyber Orioles from Morris, Michigan.
$72.02. Would you like to join this alliance?
On behalf of 7202 and all of our wonderful sponsors, we gracefully accept.
Your number 2 Alliance complete. Now, before we get to our final pick, just a reminder, if your team is not picked, we need you to stick around and talk to our referees to get on a backup bot list. Additionally, Alliance captains, we need a member of your drive team to stick around and talk to our head ref. And then we're going to have a short break for strategizing and come back for matches at a time that I will announce as soon as I know. Our final pick of Kettering Kickoff. Who would you like to invite to join your alliance?
On behalf of Team 2337 and all of our sponsors,
In Team 27,
we'd like to request the assistance of Team 5084.
From Corona, Michigan, it's Team FridgeBot.
Team 5084, do you want to join this alliance?
On behalf of FridgeBot and all of our sponsors, we gratefully accept.
And that's our alliance selection complete. Thank you to all of the teams that competed here today. We were impressed by your level of play on the competition field and your gracious professionalism. Please stick around through finals. There are going to be some exciting matches to watch.